Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Testing Tricks. Today I am going to discuss about Selenium and its advantage and disadvantages. Okay, so coming to the first question is Selenium. So what is Selenium? So Selenium is a automation testing framework, okay, by which you can automate your web application. Okay, so it's a automation testing framework by which we can automate web application. Okay, now coming to the next topic, that is components part. So it has around four components. First component is uh, Selenium ID. Second is Selenium remote control. Third is WebDriver, and fourth component is um, grid. Okay, so it have four components: ID, remote control, WebDriver, and grid. So ID, this particular component we have used initially for record and playback purpose, but right now the industry is not following this particular component. And grid you can use if you want to execute your test cases in multiple machine. In that case, you can use the grid command. Okay, and out of four, this WebDriver is the most popular component. As you know, if you want to execute your automation test cases in multiple browsers, so in that case, this is the component you have to use. Okay, so that is our major component in Selenium. Okay, now coming to the language support. So Selenium is supporting multiple programming languages, which are Java, C Sharp, PHP, Perl, Python. So those are the programming languages it is supporting. Okay, now coming to the advantage part. So what are the advantages? The first advantage would be it is a open source. That means without purchasing a license, you can use Selenium. Okay. Second advantage is easy to use and maintain. Okay. Third advantage is it's very fast. Fourth advantage is you can integrate CI/CD, means continuous integration, continuous deployment. If you want to perform, that is also you can achieve through different platform, means Jenkins, GitLab. Okay, those platform you can integrate with the Selenium. So that is also an advantage. CI/CD activity also you can perform. Okay, you can integrate with Selenium. And obviously, one more advantage is language support. It is supporting multiple languages, including Java, C Sharp, PHP, Perl, Python. So those are the advantages. Okay, but disadvantage is first disadvantage is there is no okay, there is no inbuilt reporting mechanism. So if you want to execute your automation test cases and if you want to see the result, then automatically it will not come. So you have to rely on some third-party tool like Extent Report or Allure Report. So those are the third-party uh, tool you have to integrate. Then only you will get to know the report and all. Okay, so there is no inbuilt reporting mechanism in Selenium. So that is the one disadvantage part. Second is, okay, difficult to handle window-based operation. As you know, Selenium is only for web application part. So Selenium can automate only the web application, not window-based application, right? So sometimes whenever you are executing any test cases, then that time some window-based pop-up is coming, right? So that one it's really difficult to handle within Selenium. So that is the one of the disadvantage. Okay, because if you want to handle desktop related pop-up, then in that case you have to rely on some third-party tool like Auto IT. So through that particular tool you can handle, but it's a bit difficult. Okay, so you have to write your Auto IT scripts also within Selenium, then only you can handle it. So it's a bit difficult. So that is the one of the disadvantage of Selenium. And third disadvantage is image comparison. So there are no direct uh, like facility in Selenium for the image comparison. If you want to compare images, two or three images if you want to compare, so those kind of activity if you want to perform, it is really difficult to handle it. So for that also you have to rely on some third-party tool to handle. Okay, so these are the disadvantages you can say in Selenium. So if I want to summarize everything, so first point is Selenium. What is Selenium? So Selenium is not a tool. Selenium is a automation testing framework by which you can automate your web application part, which is supporting multiple languages, Java, C Sharp, PHP, Perl, and Python. And it has four components: IDE, RC, WebDriver, and Grid. Out of four, WebDriver is the first component and main component by which you can execute your automation test cases in multiple browsers. Okay, and what are the disadvantages and disadvantages? Obviously, it is a open source. Without purchasing a license, you can use it. It is very easy to use and maintain, and it is very fast. If you want to perform CI/CD activity, for that, if you want to integrate Jenkins, Bamboo, those are the platforms also you can integrate with the Selenium. Okay, and fifth point is language support. You know, this is also one of the advantages. But when I'm coming to the disadvantages part, obviously, there is no inbuilt reporting mechanism. For that, you have to rely on some third-party tool, which is Extend Report or Allure Report. You have to integrate with the Selenium. Then only after executing, you will get the result. Okay. So second disadvantage is it's very difficult to handle window-based pop-up and all. Okay. So as you know, it is a web-based application. Sometimes whenever you will execute, you'll get some Windows-based inconsistent pop-ups will come. So that we have to handle it. Otherwise, your test case will fail. Okay. So that is also one of the disadvantage. And third disadvantage is image comparison. Suppose some of the test case you have to compare both the images. In that case, also there are no direct support from the Selenium. You have to rely on some third-party tool. Then only you can handle that. Okay. So, yeah, so that is all from my side today. I hope it is clear for everyone. Thank you.